Hello and welcome to Become a Crypto Millionaire, the 1000% profit strategy of the wealthy. If you're interested in making substantial profits in the world of cryptocurrency, then you're in the right place. In this video, we'll share the secrets that the wealthy use to achieve financial success through crypto investing. We'll cover 5 key strategies that you can use to increase your wealth and achieve millionaire status. So, sit back, relax, and let's get started. Cryptocurrency has become one of the most popular investment opportunities in recent years. With the rise of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies, investors have seen significant returns on their investments. However, not all investors have been able to achieve the same level of success. The wealthy have a unique set of strategies and methods that they use to make substantial profits in the crypto market. In this video, we'll explore these strategies and provide you with the knowledge and tools you need to become a crypto millionaire. Strategy 1. Hodling. The first strategy that the wealthy use is known as hodling. This term originated from a misspelling of the word hold and has since become a popular strategy among cryptocurrency investors. Hodling involves buying and holding onto your cryptocurrency investments for an extended period of time. This strategy requires patience and a long-term outlook, but it can lead to significant profits if executed correctly. By holding onto your investments, you can benefit from the long-term growth of the crypto market, even if there are short-term fluctuations in price. Strategy 2. Diversification. The second strategy that the wealthy use is diversification. Investing all of your money into a single cryptocurrency can be risky, as the value of that currency can fluctuate rapidly. By diversifying your investments across several different cryptocurrencies, you can spread your risk and increase your chances of success. This strategy also allows you to take advantage of emerging trends and opportunities in the crypto market. Strategy 3. Dollar cost averaging. The third strategy that the wealthy use is dollar cost averaging. This strategy involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of the price of the cryptocurrency at that time. This approach helps to reduce the impact of short-term price fluctuations and can lead to more consistent returns over time. Strategy 4. Technical analysis. The fourth strategy that the wealthy use is technical analysis. This involves using charts and other analytical tools to predict future price movements in the crypto market. While technical analysis can be complex, it can provide valuable insights into market trends and help you make more informed investment decisions. Strategy 5. Fundamental analysis. The fifth strategy that the wealthy use is fundamental analysis. This involves researching and analyzing the underlying factors that drive the value of a particular cryptocurrency. By understanding the technology behind the currency, the market demand, and other key factors, you can make more informed investment decisions and achieve greater success in the crypto market. Well, that's it for today's video on Become a Crypto Millionaire, the 1000% profit strategy of the wealthy. We hope that you found this video informative and that you now have a better understanding of the strategies and methods that the wealthy use to achieve significant returns in the crypto market. Remember, achieving millionaire status in the world of cryptocurrency requires patience, discipline, and a willingness to learn. By implementing the strategies that we've discussed today, you can increase your chances of success and achieve your financial goals. So, what are you waiting for? Start investing in cryptocurrency today and take the first step towards becoming a crypto millionaire. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on cryptocurrency investing and trading. Thanks for watching,